I thought, nice day to go outside with a Westfield and making some drone movies, but unfortunately, engine failure. So when starting up the engine, you can't really hear something. The only thing, I don't have any power, so I connected the code reader, and after a few moments I got already a few codes. So here you can see them, P0190 and a P1237, also shown right now in the picture. Unfortunately, it's back into the garage and I'm gonna do some homework. I've been doing some searching around on the internet and found out that the fuel rail sensor is broken, so what I will do, I will order this one, as you just saw. Also was looking underneath the car and I saw some oil traces coming from the rear of the engine, so what I will do, I will also order those parts, an oil seal that's on the back of the engine, and also will do the T9 gearbox to get also a few new oil seals in that one. And if you like what I do, then please like and subscribe, and see you at the next one. Thank you very much.